Experiencing issues with your Visible eSIM? Let's get it fixed. First, try re-downloading your eSIM profile. Go to Settings, then Cellular, then Add Cellular Plan, and follow the prompts to reinstall. This refreshes any corrupted data. If that doesn't work, update your carrier settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, then About, then Carrier. If an update is available, install it. These updates often contain fixes for connectivity issues, including improved 5G compatibility. This resolves the problem for most users. If re-downloading the eSIM profile and updating carrier settings didn't solve the problem, your IMEI might be the issue. Dial *06# on your phone to display your IMEI number. Contact Visible Support to ensure your IMEI is whitelisted and not blocked. An IMEI block can happen if the device was previously associated with a different carrier that had outstanding issues, or in rare cases, incorrectly flagged. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset on your device. If problems persist, reach out to Visible's support team, which now offers AI-powered chatbots for faster resolutions.